cameraception. I am so excited about this. I really am. I really am. I've wanted one of these on a camera for a long time. Do you remember all the clips from Castaway Key? It was like, we were talking, be like, you know?
Yeah, the whole sound. Yeah.
It sounded more like we were giving ultrasounds than filming the ocean. I'm excited. So this is the, okay, there was a preference. It's the ZV-1, not the ZV-1F.
Yes. And honestly, I'm not entirely sure what the difference is, but...
Now this one is different. The one I'm holding right now, the screen goes up, this one goes sideways, but the first camera we had was a Sony and the screen went sideways. But it has a muffle sock on it. Can you explain the other thing that you bought over here to go with it? No, I kind of thought that was the camera because when the UPS guy handed it to me, Panda was like in my sweater. And he's like, are you sure you had this package before I let go? And I'm like, yeah.
So this is a holder for the camera. It has several spots for like attachments on it. But the Sony camera didn't have spots for a neck strap, and the camera cage, I forget what it's actually called, but it has the spots on it for a neck strap, which is how she carries the camera around.
Yeah,
so that was necessary.
The one I'm currently wearing, I'll flip it off real quick, has a leather neck strap on it that I always put on when I'm facing forward, and then I have a wrist strap for while I'm holding it. Oh wait, that doesn't have a wrist strap, does it? Could this one go on it? Like this one, look at the way this one's attached. It's just on.
There is another slot right there for another strap, or what it looks like that is. So.
Well, like, look how this one's attached.
Yeah.
I bet you could do that.
There may be one on or with the camera.
Hey, Madeline!
This is a thing. I bet this is actually the... Yep, that's the windsock. This is probably the battery.
So, we saw reviews online that there are several people that recommended on the Sonys to get the extended battery you can attach to the bottom, but we could not find where you can purchase that online.
Yeah, that's the battery.
And it looks exactly like the Sony water camera batteries that we don't have, or don't use. Stop touching the chair.
Yeah, there is not a strap in here. So in the packaging, there's just the camera, which I'll go ahead and...
Oh, you have the puppy.
Unwrap.
I was like, why is it jingly? Oh, look at that.
Which, the camera.
Did you go back and look how long it's been since... Oh, it rotates. Just like our first one. I love this. Did you go back and look how long we've had Mark II?
No.
Okay.
But we have the camera.
Look how jingly.
The sock, which I'm going to leave it in there for now. A USB cord. It's a micro USB cord.
Okay.
Probably for data transfer and whatnot. And then this was the battery. And it comes with one battery, which is the... If you know anything about Sony cameras, it's a Series X or Type X battery. And that's what's in that box.
And that's the neck strap we'd already ordered.
Yeah, and that's the neck strap that we were just showing.
So, Madeline, you just watched us unbox a new camera.
Oh.
Yeah, that's our new vlog camera. It had this weird accessory in it. Can you open that for me, please?
Sure. Can the box hold the puppy?
Here, I'll take the puppy. Hi, puppy. Oh, don't be jealous. I can't hold you like this.
Chubby, come here.
No. Open the accessory that came with the camera.
Nice.
Now, because of shipping, it's a little more wrinkled than I like, but
I can live with wrinkles.
So I figured we'd show this real quick. This is a super easy fit. It literally just slides in to the around the lens like that, and then the camera holder came with a wrench that is here.
yeah, any camera accessories for short day trips end up in the box with our GoPro accessories, and then we have a long trip bag where we put all the other accessories. So it's going to probably stay with that just for safety measures, especially for like the upcoming trip to Michigan.
But yeah, there is a little hex screw on the bottom.
Oh, the camera's doing that. It's black. I can't focus. There it goes. Hence one of the reasons why we're replacing the one in my hand. But we're not just retiring it. It's going to be
used.
Yeah. So Rebecca actually used the camera I'm holding right now for pictures when she was at the zoo the other day. So it is actually going to be retired to her photography class camera until it gives out.
That feels like a good fit.
Oh, that does issue a problem if I need this wrist strap. We could get another wrist strap though. Or I think there might be an extra wrist strap somewhere.
I don't know if you can over tighten that. I bet you could. But that feels like it's in there.
Is there a battery
secure.
charged enough in there to where it's gonna... Oh, by the way, can battery come out fairly easily? Oh, that's nice. Mark's jealous. It's not resuming it on it. There we go. Is it charged enough to where we could see testing how that lens comes out with that camera on? Or no?
I mean, I can try it.
Okay.
There is
please ignore
not...
my messy desk in the background. It's kind of busy trying to get passport papers right now.
There is not a charger in the case.
There's one in the old water camera bags that we don't use anymore. Did it come on? Oh, it's going to go into pre-setup mode. What is the date? What is the time? What is the year? Is it daylight savings time? What time zone do you live in? Yep, we're in New York. Well, we're not in New York, but it's on. We're on daylight savings time right now. My phone is not in here. I know it's March 13th, 2024. It's like 3, isn't it? 2:58.
2:58.
Close. PM.
It's gonna make me go all the way around. That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. Month, date, year. Because I'm American.
Camera reception.
Camera reception.
There's no card in this one though, so.
Oh, well, I've got a 128 one that I use for travel, and then I have a 64 one I use for when we're not on long trips, so.
Yeah.
Look at that clarity. I'm serious. Is that a bigger screen? Okay, I know you won't be able to show it on the camera, but like side by side, is it a bigger screen?
Possibly.
Crazy. So it came out fine with the cover on it.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Alright. But yeah, that's it.
Nice.
that again now?
Do that again because that was great.
So, I heard you got a new camera.
Mm-hmm.
It would be such a waste to throw away your old one.
I know, right?
I wonder if there's anyone who could, like, I don't know, take that off your hands.
Me! I need a camera!
No, we share the camera. Chubby, do you want a camera?
Did you just smell water?
Okay, I'm sorry. Puppy's like, oh, do you want a camera? Do you want the camera? She's like, yes. The goal is to give you this one. And then try to clean up the other Mark, or clean up Mark 1 for Sarah because her camera broke. And we're looking.
I know.
Hey, she uses mine. Just get me a new one.
That works.